Dear friends, today we will discuss the possible cases of Wheatstone bridge. You can see this is very famous diagram, and in most of the books and in your examination, you will expect this type of circuit. But there are many more circuit apart from this. Now let us see some circuit that is uh, Wheatstone bridge. So you can see here four types of circuit and four types of arrangement of the resistance is given. So in these four type of circuit, all are Wheatstone bridge. If this galvanometer deflection is zero, here galvanometer you can see, and here also galvanometer. And source is you can see the position of source. This is very important to remember the position of source and galvanometer to identify the Wheatstone bridge. So you can see from this diagram, four diagrams are here, and if the deflection of this galvanometer is zero, then circuit is said to be balanced. And it is very important. Once again, I am telling you, uh, remember the position of resistance, galvanometer, and source. Here you can see P, Q here, R, S here. In this diagram, P and Q is here, R and S is here. Galvanometer here, source here. In this diagram, in similar way, P and Q here, R and S should be here. And galvanometer and source position is here. And this is very famous diagram, very popular diagram. This is galvanometer and this is source. This is P, this is Q, this is R, this is S. So in all these four cases, the same equation will be for balancing condition. So you can apply this condition for balancing. If this condition hold and deflection of galvanometer is zero, you can say if the deflection of galvanometer is zero, then we can apply this equation to find any unknown resistance. If any resistance is unknown and remaining three are known, then this equation is very helpful to determine the resistance. Very, very important. So very important. Now we can also write this expression as PS equal to RQ. So this is important expression. Now you can see very important thing on mutually changing the position of cell and galvanometer, the condition will not change. Now, if we interchange the position of galvanometer and cell in each circuit, here and here also, the condition will not change. Means galvanometer deflection again you will find zero if the bridge is balanced. Okay. So these are all possible cases. So keep it in mind. It may help you in your exam when you face some tricky question and you have to find any unknown resistance, and there is a four resistance circuit. Okay. Thank you for watching.